RC car. There it is. And there's Michael. So we're gonna try to hydroplane the ditch over here. Died. We're gonna go get my other one that's actually really faster than this one. The new battery, and take a look at this. Oh, I just got covered, dude. Man, alright, look. Hydroplane the ditch here. She good. Oh, wheelie. Woo, I'm wet. Almost getting destroyed with water. Car! Get it, get it, get it! Race it, race it! Dude, that was a bit sketchy. Yeah. Probably it for today. Hope you like it. Sorry if there was a blur on the camera. I don't know if there was or not. But we're gonna post another video here soon of Michael learning how to drive my dirt bike. So yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment what you think I should do. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.